just check it out, you know, and do an ECG test. So now I'm headed to the Woodlands Hospital to see a doctor. I don't want to go to Georgetown because there's going to be hours in waiting there. Hours. So I'm just going to go to Woodlands and check it out and hope that everything is okay. And I don't know why this I don't know why the pain why my chest keep paining a lot. I don't know why. So guys, I'm driving down Lamaha Street now. Driving down Lamaha, and then I'm going to turn into, what's it, Carmichael? My brain's not even functioning good right now. So I'm turning into Carmichael and hit the Woodlands Hospital. On your right hand side, there's the Scotiabank. We would have a lot of parking. Yay! Okay, so I'll get the parking nearby here. Okay, let me see if we can get a little more closer. I wish I could have drive in, but I can't drive in. Alright, so I'm gonna park here instead. Getting a big old divide. What? I mind. It's close to the hospital, the parking. Perfect. Yeah. I got good parking, guys. Guys, I'm headed into the hospital now to see what is wrong with me. I don't know. Put on the mask. No, Ada, don't trouble. Ada, don't trouble. Why you don't listen, my boy? Stop. So I'm headed into the hospital, guys. This is the entrance of Woodlands Hospital. Okay guys, I'm here waiting to see the doctor. I got like 3 patients in front of me, so I have to wait my turn. So I just registered, so I'm headed into the cashier. Oh, that one closed. How much? 3.5? Okay. Hello. Yeah, Afton the fritters. Okay, thanks. So I just paid to see the doctor. So I'm gonna head in now. Alright guys, okay guys, so I just tested my pressure. It's okay, but they're gonna make me take a diabetic test, and I'm gonna do the ECG heart test as well to make sure that everything is alright with me. They also asked if I get any fever, any cough, but I'm not getting no fever, no cough. It's just the pain in the chest only I'm getting. You know, you feel like if a needle sticking me all the time. You know, sometimes I try to get up, it hurts a lot. So wish me luck, guys. Pray for me. Thank you. Sometimes, yeah, I get short of breath.
Cold sweat?
No, I'm gonna say cold sweat.
Like
no.
sweating? Coughing?
No sweat, no cough.
No fever?
No fever. Just the pain in the chest.
No vomiting.
No, no vomiting.
And you say you had this pain last year when you had a shock.
Yeah.
But since then to now you
No.
and you don't have any medical problem, but you said diabetes runs in your family.
Yeah.
No heart problems, right?
No, I know, but no.
You work?
Right now, no. I'm just home.
Alright. And why did they give you this tablet? It's only given to people with heart problems. I won't advise.
That's why I explained to you. I explained to them.
They can't do that because you could get serious complications if you don't use this in the right scenario. Right?
Well, I only drink one only.
You drink it, swallow it, or put it on
No,
your
put it on my tongue. Only one. Last
That'll
night.
make you feel bad. Alright, I'm going to do this x-ray. Then come back and do the heart test. Alright?
Okay.
You know where the x-ray requirement is? Go to the receptionist. Alright, and
Do
then
the
go.
X-ray and then do the ECG.
Then come back and then do the ECG.
Do the X-ray, come back here, then okay. All right. Guys, I had to come on the road because they don't keep blowing their horn all the time. They just keep blowing the horn all the time. So I done pay for him. Yeah. Guys, I have to go outside again. Oh, lordy. Aiden and Easy. The child keeping us such a nice blowing the horn. Aiden, why are you doing that? No, to do an X-ray. Okay. All right. 3,500. Okay. Should I pay for the ECG one time or how much did that go? $3,500. Everything is $3,500. See the doctor's $3,500. X-ray $3,500. Ah? 500. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Heading now to do my X-ray, guys. Alright guys, so I'm in the mammogram. I had to take off my clothes and put on this gown here. Yeah, I had to put on this gown. So I just finished taking my X-ray now. So putting on back my clothes. So guys, I finished the X-ray, so I'm going back in the doctor's office now. And then I'm gonna do the ECG. Alright guys, I'm here sitting on the hospital bed. There's the bed here. So guys, I'm headed to the cashier now to get my pay and get the medication. I just paid for my medication. So headed to the pharmacy now, guys. Pharmacy. Alright guys, so I just came out of the hospital. I got all my medication, so I have to go get something to eat. Probably buy something to eat because I have to eat first before I drink these tablets. So let's go get something to eat.